Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you how you can create your profile on contently.com. So this is a profile what I created a couple of seconds, the minutes ago, and how it's looking. So basically, if you have no idea what is contently.com, so basically this is for the content writer. So if you're a content writer, so you can create a profile in this website, and the chances to you can get conversions are the lead, are the client for you. So basically, this is for the content writer. If you are a freelancer or the full-time worker, so you can create your profile in this website. So I will show you in this video how you can create a profile and how you can make your profile publicly visible. Okay, so now we can start. So before we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 85. And according to Moj, the domain authority is 83. Spam score is only 1%. So this is a website. So first thing you guys will click on the sign in button. And then after you can click on the get started, accept this. And there you can put your full name. And here you can paste your email address. So let me use this. There you can type your password. Then after you can select where did you heard about this website. Then after you can verify the captcha and accept the terms and condition. Then you can click on the register button. So once you guys will complete these things, then after this site will navigate you to the another interface because I just created account with this IP address, so that's why I'm not able to create another account. So I can show you how once you guys will complete these things, then after this site will navigate you to the this interface. So you can click on the edit portfolio, and first you guys will upload your profile picture, then your first name, your last name. You can upload your first name and the last name. Here you can put your email address, then your company name, and you can select your primary skill. So if you are a designer, photographer, or the video editor, or the content writer, so you can select your skill. Then here you can put your website URL, your contact number, your location, your time zone. Then you can also optimize your portfolio URL from there. So DML training dot contently.com. So this is your profile URL should be, and here you can type your title. Then you can type your bio, and you can select your preferable language, and then after you can put your social media URLs here. So I have added my all social media URLs: Facebook, Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, Twitter. Then after you can click on the save button, and you see your profile is updated. And what you can do if you're wanting to add your project, so you can see there is a project section. You can click on this, and you can add a project. So you see there is a 2 to 3 options. So you can import Behance, import from the client website, import from a single URL. You can select anything. So suppose let me add my another project. So you can paste your URL. Then after click on the get details. So this will automatically fetch your all details. So like whatever the things and the information are available in URL. So this site will automatically fetch all the details. So once you guys will complete these things, then after how we can make our profile publicly visible. So you can see there is a pop-up message. So you can click on this share button, and then you can scroll something, and you see a profile, a portfolio submission form. You can click on this. So then you will get this form. So there you can put your email address. You can put my email address here. Please enter your full name. So there you can enter your full name. The ML training. I created account for my brand, and there you can put your portfolio URL. So you can copy this URL and you can paste here, and you can select, are you freelancer content writer? So if you're a freelancer, you can select yes, either no. Then after you can select your country, and you can select your areas of expertise. So you can select your expertise area, and then after you can select if you are a B2B or the B2C. So you can select. Then after you can click on the submit button. And once you guys will submit this form, this will take a couple of time, and after you are publicly visible, your profile are publicly visible. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your profile on contently.com. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there, you guys can connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, or if I provided something, some value to the your digital marketing. So you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because little things motivate me more so I can create rapidly and the consistent videos for you guys. So I am expecting to you guys will help me something for the clicking on the subscribe and the like button. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.